Okay, so here we are on my LightX homepage. First things first, let's go to the editor tools and click on see all under video editing tools. As you can see, there are a bunch of video editing tools. Feel free to give those a try, but for now, in this tutorial, we're going to focus on how to resize video. Select this tool and you will find yourself redirected to a page. You can easily find the link to this tool in the description box below. Here you can see the option of upload video where you can easily upload video from your device, or you can simply select drag and drop. LightX also provides sample videos that you can try. I will upload a video from my device. Let's choose this video and click. Our video has been uploaded. You can see the resize tool has appeared automatically. Now you can resize your video according to any desired size. LightX provides the most common ratios used on social media in this resize tool. For example, you can resize the video for Facebook or for Instagram stories, post, TikTok, and even for WhatsApp. You can also resize and keep it in standard formats like widescreen, square, or phone. You can find all the resize options in one place. Isn't that great? Also, this resizing tool works really fast. Simply upload your video and use this tool. In no time, your resized video will be ready to get downloaded. I'm choosing the option of an Instagram reel, which is in the 9:16 ratio, as I want to upload this video on my Instagram. That's it. Our video has been resized. Click the play button and see the final product. You can click on this I button to preview your video. Finally, name your file at the top and click on the save button. As soon as this button turns green, your file edits are saved. Click on the export button and choose your resolution and quality. Click export video and your video will be saved to your device. That's it, super easy and quick.